In this video, I'm going to show you how to get stuff cheaper on Amazon using coupons. I love discounts. Do you love discounts? What's going on? My name is Ibrahim Omar, also known as Erodabi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm definitely going to do nothing. So do right now because I do amazing stuff on this channel which you won't want to miss out. Let's dive into it.
So guys, here we are on Vipon site. This site allows you to get discount on Amazon. So next thing you want to do is go ahead and search whatever item you want to get discount on Amazon. So next thing you want to do is go ahead and search the item you want to get discount on Amazon, or you can go ahead choose any of these featured this. So I want to choose this item which is 50% discount. I want to get coupon. So you can see, yeah, I did this previously. I requested this previously, so I want to go ahead and continue. I want to check this item out on Amazon. So here we are on Amazon page. Next you want to do is go ahead add to cart. So you can see added to cart. So next you want to added to cart. The next you want to do is go ahead and proceed to checkout. So guys, after filling out your address, next you want to do is go choose your shipping options and then continue. So next you want to do is select payment method, which you're going to choose. Enter promotional code, then you're gonna put the code you generated from Vipon. So after filling out the promotional code, then you're gonna apply. So guys, here we are on reviewing your product. After applying the promotion code, you can see the discount 13.49. You've been given discount on this product. So guys, here we are on the final page where you're gonna apply your promotion code, and here you can see the discount. You can see 26.99 slashed into 13.49. You can see discount applied. So this is the code. So guys, so you see this is the item 26.99 minus 50%, 13.49. So guys, that's all you need to do. Apply and get discount on any product you want to buy from Amazon.
That was really interesting, guys. Make sure you try this out if you want to get discounts on Amazon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.